Hello everyone. So today for story time we're continuing our books by the author Julia Donaldson. There she is up here, Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. And this little book is a lovely book, and the title of this book is Charlie Cook's Favorite Book. And on the front page you can hear those rhyming words, can't you? What are the rhyming words there? We have cook and book. And all throughout this book you'll hear lots of rhyming words, because that's what Julia Donaldson likes to do. She likes to make lots of rhyming words in her book, and it makes it really lovely to read. Shall we get started? Once upon a time there was a boy called Charlie Cook, who curled up in a cozy chair and read his favorite book. About a leaky pirate ship which very nearly sank, and a pirate chief who got the blame and had to walk the plank. The chief swam to an island and went digging with his hook. At last he found a treasure chest, and in it was a book. About a girl called Goldilocks and three indignant bears, who cried, "Who's had our porridge? Who's been sitting in our chairs?" They went into the bedroom, and Baby Bear said, "Look! She's in my bed, and what is more, she's got my favorite book." Oh my goodness. About Sir Percy Pinkerton and a bold and fearless knight, who told the dragon, "Wait! I'm not quite ready for the fight. You must hear this one first." And then his armor clanked and shook. Ho, ho, he, he, as he read aloud a joke he'd found inside his favorite book. About Rowena Redalot, a very well-read frog, who jumped upon a lily pad and jumped upon a log, then jumped into the library which stood beside the brook, and went read it, read it, read it, as she jumped upon a book. About an oak tree full of birds, each bird had built a nest, and they had a competition to decide which one was best. They chose an owl to judge it, and the winner was a rook, whose nest was lined with pages from his very favorite book. About a girl who saw a flying saucer in the sky. Some small green men were in it, and they waved as they flew by. She tugged her mother's sleeve and said, "Look, Mum, what I've just seen." But Mum said, "Hush, I'm trying to read my favorite magazine." About a wicked jewel thief who stole the king's best crown, but then got stuck behind some sheep, which slowed his car right down. The king dialed 999, and soon the cops had caught the crook and flung him into prison, where he read his favorite book. About a greedy crocodile who got fed up with fish and went on land to try to find some other kind of dish. He went into a bookshop, and he there grew even greedier while reading on page 90 of a large encyclopedia. About the biggest birthday cake the world had ever seen. A team of royal cake makers had made it for the Queen. The cake was so delicious that a famous spaceman took a slice of it to Jupiter. He also took a book. About a ghost who glided round a castle every night, carrying her head and giving everyone a fright. She kept it till the morning, Then she found a shady nook and put her head back on again to read her favourite book. About a cosy armchair and a boy called Charlie Hook. Now, boys and girls, what did you think about that book? Wasn't it great? Can you think about what your favourite book is? We've been reading lots and lots of lovely books. Can you think of a book that's been your favourite out of all the books that you've heard of our story time? I can't think of my favourite one. Maybe it was The Best Dog in the World. I really liked that one. Or The Snail and the Whale that we read on Monday. That was a lovely book as well. Hope you really enjoyed that, boys and girls, and have a little think about what your favourite book is. See you later.